Hi, if you're a business new to Facebook advertising, you might not have any tracking set up yet. If you set up tracking, any activity you generate from your advertising spend can be stored. Facebook will be able to build up a picture of the kinds of people responding to what you offer and start to learn how to find more people of a similar profile. So do you know if you have tracking set up yet? I'm going to just log into my personal Facebook account here, and on a separate tab, I'm going to type in business.facebook.com. Now, assuming you're an admin on your business manager, this should immediately log you into your business manager. And from here, you'll be able to, if you've got multiple ad accounts, you'll be able to toggle through and find the right business. So I'm just going to jump in here as a demonstration account. And I'm going to show you how to create a pixel or create a data set, as it's now called, and how to organize getting that linked up to your website. So I'm going to jump into the burger here and go into business settings. Now remember, this is a little bit complex. So if you're getting lost, you can just jump into Maybe and go to the blue button at any time, pause the video, jump into the button, ask for some help. If we can't speak to you right away, we'll make sure we get back to you. And remember, you can drop into our daily lives as well to speak to someone in person. So back into our business manager, I'm going to scroll down and you're looking for data sources here. So you're going to scroll right on past pixels. That is where we used to go, but they've moved things around. And I'm going to jump here into data sets. So here you may or may not have something showing already. Now, if it's showing you a business pixel, you're all well and good. However, if nothing's here and you have checked with your web developer or anyone within the business that no pixel exists already, then this is where you create it. You just want to jump in on the blue button, give your data set a name. So as you can see, I've actually created a few already for this demo, but type in your name, an appropriate name for your business, and click the blue create button here. I'm not going to create any more because I've created so many already. So I'm just going to click cancel and jump into, so what you create will start to show here in list, okay? So I'm going to jump into test pixel here and then take it from here. So basically, you need to do a couple of things here at this level. We want to, number one, add you to the pixel. So you're going to be able to use it within the advertising. So you do that just by doing add people, and your name should be in list because you're in the business manager. You just toggle yourself on, and anyone else in the business that you want to have access as well. Remember that if you need more people in your business manager, you do that from within your business settings again through people here. So click in there and follow your nose. So the other thing I want to make sure I've done is connected the pixel to my ads manager. So you do that through add assets, and this will bring up a list of your ad accounts within your business manager, and you just toggle on the right one and click add. So once you've got your pixel with it being assigned to your ads manager, with the right people, with access to it, you want to go into Open in Events Manager here to walk through the next steps. So within Events Manager, it gives you the means to, it's just taking a while to load, here we go. You scroll on down and it starts to give you some options on how to install this tracking piece of code. So the creme de la creme is this conversions API. Now, this is relatively recent. It is the most robust form of tracking, and it's sort of come into play since iOS 14, where a lot of tracking and data was kind of lost through the privacy laws. But the development of this Conversions API has actually been amazing. It is well worth getting that connection installed if you can. Now, click through on the blue button. If you're one of the typical website users like Shopify or WooCommerce or WordPress, you will find a really quick and easy way to connect up your code to your website here. So you can see a lot of the partners available here. So not all forms of websites have this Conversions API set up though. So if you're not seeing anything there and you're not sure how to follow, because there are these other options, but you're going to need a developer to help you with that, then I would probably click away and jump down to this next one where it says set up Metapixel. Again, you can go through looking for a partner plugin here, and there's a whole load of extra partners there, so you might get lucky. But if all else fails, you can do install code manually, and you can see this email instructions. So if you just click on that, it's going to bring up the code, and you can add your web developer's name in there and fire it off to them. And if they're worth their salt, they'll be able to take it from there and get this code installed onto your website. So that's really easy to do. And that is pretty much it in terms of how to create your pixel and how to get it installed on your website. You'll know if it's working or not because you'll come into this area here, and whereas right now it says your dataset hasn't received any activity, it will have like a line graph, and it will be showing event tracking. So if you've got things like Shopify as a plugin, then it's brilliant. It'll show it right down to your purchase activity. But if it's just installed by your web developer, you may just have view content. You might just have page view. But that will be a great first step for getting your tracking set up. So again, if you've got any questions, do join us on our daily lives or jump in on the blue button within Maybe, and I'll see you again soon.